Okay, so you're trying to make a video for Canvas, you already made it, and you notice that the kids keep saying that it's restricted for whatever reason. So this is how to take care of that. So they open it, and it keeps saying this video is restricted, try signing in. So there's two ways that this can be fixed. The first way is you didn't allow it. So first thing you need to do, notice I'm not signed in here, I need to sign in. So now notice I'm signed in, but it's still restricted. That's because I'm not signed in under my AISD name. So if I sign in under the AISD name like this, it gives me this video not approved, and I can click approve, and now students should be able to watch it, right? So this is the main thing that you probably didn't approve it, because it usually doesn't automatically get approved. Number two is kind of the step before, where the students will be signed in, but they'll be signed in at like their personal email, and our Wi-Fi will not allow it if it's on their personal email. So they need to sign in on their AISD email. So one, you sign in your AISD and then click approve, and then it'll be good. Two, they need to be on their student email, and then it'll be ready. So once you've done that, when they click play, it'll play, and they'll just need to reload the page. So again, you sign in on your AISD account, and you allow the video, open it in your YouTube, click allow, and then make sure they are signed in on their student AISD account, as long as they're on this Wi-Fi, right? So that's it. That's how to make sure the students are not restricted on a video.